So first of all, as I stated, the MSG is a major session gap. It starts at 1 o'clock and it ends at 3 o'clock in the morning, right? Now that's just for the MSG. Now, the new thing that we basically implemented is the Lego method. So now there's 4 sessions that you can trade, not just in the morning, but after 10 o'clock, after 3 o'clock. You understand? Like there's a lot of sessions that you can do. But we will cover all of this. I just want to show you all the first things. So you guys need to understand that the MSG and stuff won't work on a demo account. It will only work on a real account. You can get the MSG on your trading view, which I will show you all how to do this. But um, before you can get it on your trading view, you need a real account and you need to have deposited money there and opened a trade before you can get it on your trading view. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. You also need to link basically your XM account with your MT5. So let's start at the beginning. You go on Google, all right? Then you say, because obviously you need an XM account. So I send it, if you are new, I send it all the details to you. To register account, use the partner code and what, TBFX2, right? So that's what you need to use. So you need to log in into your account. Just want to make sure if it is this one. Otherwise, what you can say is XM member ZA. And then it at the top, or this one, no, this one. Then you just say login. Say the code. Okay, now it's here. So now you are logged into your account. You can see at the top left, I have 1,014 Rand in my account. So the first thing that I want to show you all, if you want to, let's say you had an XM account and you need to open an additional account, right, to be affiliated under us. You click where your account says here at the top left, whatever there is. Okay, if it's now a demo, it's a real or whatever, you click on that and you click the blue plus button at the bottom. You say real account and you just follow the steps. MT5, standard, your leverage, if you want to trade in USD or you want to trade in ZAR. And here it says have a partner code enter here. This is where you are going to, for all the men, you're going to say TBFX2, right? And for all the girls, it's THFX2, ne? THFX1 or THFX2? Nikita, THFX1. Soos daai. Hierso. Okay, for all the girls, you're going to use that. And you say you declare and you say continue. Then you have your account. All right, now it's affiliated under me. Now the second step is you must now want the MSG in either in your trading view or in your MT5 or wherever. You go to this link, t1fxteam.com/Tinus, my name, all right? Then it will open this page, like this website for you. t1fxteam.com/ and my name. Now you put your XM account here. So mine, for instance, is 91878. It is 303. And you say check affiliation because you almost now affiliated under me. So this will pop up. Here is going to be more blocks. There's going to be 2 more blocks here. One for mentorship and one for beginner course for WhatsApp groups that you will be able to join. by tomorrow. By tomorrow or yeah, on Christmas. But I think by tomorrow it will be here. Then you can join that group, the mentorship group and the beginner course group. It will be totally free. You don't have to pay nothing. Now, here's the MSG indicator that you need to go down. Okay. So now you have downloaded it. Let's say you want it on your trading view. Okay? You need it, you need an account with basically T1FX Team. So you still go to the same one, t1fxteam.com/Tinas, and here at the bottom, create your T1FX Team profile now. You click on that, you fill your name, surname, your email address, what, you fill everything in. And once again, you put your XM account ID here. You say check. Here it will say, boom, account is affiliated. And then you can just say create account. Now, after you have done that, here you can ask access to do this. And remember, this video will be posted on YouTube as well. So you can just go check it again. Okay. So here it says trading view, MSG indicator, including the Lego method. Okay. And you can say request access. And make sure the username, because you will see if you say request access, or whatever, you need to have once again traded before, basically opened a trade on your MT5 XM trading account. And you need to be affiliated on us for this to work. Otherwise, it won't work. So you need to use the TBFX2 partner code or THFX1 for the girls. Okay. So request access, but then it will ask you for your TradingView username. So let's quickly go to TradingView. So you'll see my username here. My username here is Tinus Bianca 123. So that's the one that I used when I wanted the MSG indicator on my TradingView. Right. So now next. How do you get your MT5 on your PC? Okay, so log into your XM account, go to more, scroll down, which says MT5 platform. Click on this, and yes, you same as normal for PC, and you download it. All right. After you've done that, here it is now. Okay, so here is now the MT5. I've logged in already. Let me just show you all another thing on XM itself. So when you click on your account balance, when you log in, you need the right server to log in. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in. So here you can see when you click was now there, on top left, on your money you have in or 0.00 if you have 0 Rand in, here it says you can deposit and you can withdraw your money. Now here it says manage. You click on manage. And then you say here account information. And here is your details. So I'm with MT5 5. Understand? But this 5 at the end there can be a 10 or a 7 or whatever. You have your own one there. And you have your own MT ID, MT5 ID. And yeah, you can see I use a 1 to 1000 leverage and have a standard account. Okay. So that's how you get that. Now, obviously we were on the vacation, so I didn't trade anything. So now, no trades in the last 7 days. So if you don't trade in the last 7 days, the MSG won't show you. Okay. Now you have to open a trade. Okay, you can say I have 1,000 Rand there. So let's say I'm gonna go for, because gold is in an uptrend now. Let's say I'm gonna go for a buy. You see 0.01, that's your lot size. That's in the middle. How do I get this? You see the left one and the right one. Click on the right one there. Now you can sell or buy, and the lot size is here in the middle. The 0.01 is the smallest lot size. Lot size, we will cover basically that in the beginner course mentorship, understand? But lot size is what you buy the market into. So I'm buying with a 0.01 now because I haven't been trading. So I've deposited 1,000 rand. I don't know, it was 1,014 and 0.01. So let's say I'm gonna go for buy now. Now look now. Okay, here at the bottom, the trade is run. You see this is in rand. So now minus 5 rand, 6 rand, whatever. Okay, now when I switch time frames, let's say I go to the 15-minute and back to the 5-minute. Now the MSG is here. The Lego method, basically. It's here. No, I think this is just the MSG, right? This is just the MSG. The Lego method is on TradingView, but I did explain myself to you all how to get it on TradingView. Okay, so now I bought gold there because I think it might maybe push up more or whatever. I didn't do analysis or anything. It's just to show you all, you know, what to do or how to do what. So that is how you get it now on your MT5. Okay, but obviously all the steps and everything, there's an installation guide. So once you downloaded the MSG here on the landing page was, um, here on the landing page of mine, here. So you put in your XM account ID. This was now t1fxteam.com/Tinas. Right then this will be. Then you say must now download the MSG indicator. Someone join this group and you can join that group if you want. But there's going to be 2 more groups. Um, okay. Can you guys see what I do now? Yeah? Oh, you can see. Okay. Okay, then you download this MSG indicator. All right, then it will be by your downloads, um, MSG indicator. There it is, right? And there's the installation guide. Okay, this is important. You need to go through this installation guide and how to set it up. If you are not able to do this, or you are hacking fast that you can't do it, then you need to contact me. Then I'll link you with support. But go try it yourself first on how to set it up on your MT5. It's plain simple, step by step. Everything is there. Okay? Okay, then how does the MSG Lego method, how does it work? Okay, so let me just, why is it now like this? Okay, here is the setting. So this is how you get to the settings part, right? Okay, so you see the I there, there's an I, and then there's settings. Okay, so this is what your things need to be, that all the settings. This is the times. Remember this video will be on YouTube, so you can just go check it again. Let me just check here. Let's start with the normal MSG because you need to understand how the MSG works first of, and you'll see how nice and accurate is this image. Okay, so this is at mornings. It's almost started this one. Okay, so it's at 1 o'clock until 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, then after 3 o'clock, you wait for a break to the upside, and it needs to come back into the block. For me, for instance, sometimes I do not wait for it to come back into the block and then go up. Right? I just, when it turns green, I will take a buy because it's a buy. Either it goes up and come back, or it goes up and I just close it and I'm done for the night and I go sleep. But the actual way to do this and how the MSG works is it breaks to the upside, it turns green then you wait for the pullback. Right? That's the actual way you do it. So there's 3 entries that you can basically take. But for every 0.01 lot size, it's 1,500 rand that you need to have in your account. So I won't recommend starting with 500 rand or 1,000 rand. You need more capital. But obviously deposit what you can afford to lose if it doesn't go our way. All right. So Let's say I have a 5,000 Rand account because that's a nice capital to have. Then you can open three entries. So there's a high risk entry, then you get the medium risk entry, and you get a low risk entry. So there's three different entries. So now in this instance here, you can see it broke up. It only triggered the high risk and then it went for the buy. And trust me, by here you will already close your trades. You won't keep it more. Okay. So that was a high risk entry and it was a profitable trade. Turned green and it went up. Good. This one turned red. So you entered afterwards. So it was done. So you'll wait for the pullback. So here was a pullback. So there's high risk, there's medium risk, and there's low risk. All right. So it came back, triggered the high risk, sold a little bit, came back, triggered the medium risk, and boom, they it sold all the way to here, basically. And here you would have closed your trades. Where should your TP and your stop loss basically be? Previous lows. So this was a TP. That would have been your TP. On the buy, previous highs, which is in the range here, which was triggered, but that's a bit of a long wait. You understand, to get there. And if the MSG block is it orange or yellow or whatever, it doesn't have color yet. It's green or it's red. No, it's not green or it's not red yet. It's like orange or yellow. I'm not sure what color it is. Um, then and it is 7 o'clock in the morning, then there's no entry for the MSG. So anything after 7 o'clock and it didn't, and it's not red or green, you don't take the trade. Let's look at this one. Previous lows, and let's say, yeah, sold down, it came back, only high risk entry was triggered, and boom, instant profits. Target reached. This buy, mm, previous highs, which is around here. So this was not a really big one because I think this is now gold new high. No, it's not. Is it new highs on gold? All right. So it broke up, came back in. Only high risk entry was triggered. Okay, came back in. You would have taken the buy and you would have closed it right there. But look at the momentum. So it just shows you. It shows a buy and boom, it went up. This one, high risk entry. So it broke up, came back, only high risk entry was triggered and it went up. But now this is the highest gold has been. So there is no previous levels you can target on gold. So now you need to go more with a setup. So you need to go back test the strategy and see what works the best on how many pips movement. So let's say this was a 270 pip move, 274 pip move, which is a buy. But it's not necessary to target, let's say, a 300 pip move. You can target a 100 pip move. Understand? Now let's look at this one. Yeah, that this was the last one. This was this morning. Nice buy. Nice. How is my buy looking? 8 Rand, 9 Rand. Okay, 10 Rand. Let me close. 12 Rand. Okay. Now let's look at the other ones. So this was now the first MSG. This is the morning MSG, which is the best. Okay, stop loss. Where do you put your stop loss? Okay, so obviously, if you target the previous lows on a sell, right, which was here, you need to go and go back test it your own. Where is it the best to put your stop loss? We're not gonna just say everything to you. You understand? Like we also sometimes we feel like, yes, this thing is just gonna go to resistance. Let's say this was resistance, boom. So maybe this thing is giving a sell, but then it goes there, but then it sells off. You understand? So where do you put your stop loss? Maybe on top of this resistance level. You understand? Like it's difficult to say where it must be, but if you must say now, normally we target 180 pip stop loss, which can sometimes be big because that is 180 pips stop loss, but your TP, for instance, was 180 pips. So it's a 50-50. You understand? But sometimes your TP can be much bigger, right? Let's say there, for instance, and then your stop loss is 190 pips. So then it's like a 1 to 3 risk reward, which you actually should have target. Always a 1 to 2.5 or 1 to 3 risk reward is always the best. But listen, okay, this is just the first MSG now. This is the morning. Now let's look at the other one. MSG 2. Why is it not showing? What am I doing wrong? Hmm. Okay, so this is MSG2. So you see, when it's like this orange, what color this is, né? It means no entry. No entry, no entry. This one was red, and it did sell for a bit. You see, this one was green. I don't know. Maybe it's just, but look at how big this block is. But this one in the morning, look how small it is. So this one is much more accurate, the small one, as this big one. You need a big account to do this because let me show you all how accurate this is. It's a big one, but look, you would have been in drawdown, but look at the big move. The big move was up. And then look here. Here's another green one. This was instant profits and it went up. So it's showing big momentum, the big block. So MSG2 is not really, it's not one that I will do. I'll do MSG1 and MSG3. Those are the two most accurate ones. Now let's go to MSG3. As long as you understand how the MSG works. MSG3, here it is. Okay, so let's just see what happens now. So look at this one. Here's MSG3. So it broke up. So it came back. High risk was triggered. Medium risk was triggered. And low risk was triggered. And boom, shot up. Where's your target? Previous highs. Now it's difficult. Where is your high here? Is it this one or is it this one here? You understand? You need to go calculate where are you happy. But at the end of the day, it did trigger. Even though it was long term that you held this trade. MSG3, you can basically keep it a bit longer than the morning one. So in the morning, it's between 1 and 3 in the morning. All right. Then you can enter again after 10 o'clock in the morning. This is the big one, but I won't recommend this one. Then you can trade after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So the best is after 3 o'clock in the morning and after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Those are the ones that you're going to trade on. Okay. And look at the buy. This one said buy. This one didn't say anything. This one was also, which one was this MSG? MSG3. Look at it. So boom, shot up. High risk was triggered. Medium risk was triggered and boom, shot up. Because this is called new highs. Where do you target? Let's say you target this high. Because here you wouldn't have entered the market yet. They would have entered the market. Boom, you're out of the trade. Let's say, here it comes back. Maybe you enter again on the buy. Boom, you're out. There it comes back. Medium risk and high risk now was triggered again. Boom, you're out. So there's three potential moves there which you could have made money on. This one was a purely loss. This was now, this afternoon, 3 o'clock, was a pure loss. So it broke up just a little bit, huh? Boom. It was only till that high there. That's why I say you target previous highs. You understand? So technically, it's actually a profit, but the move is showing a buy, but it actually sold down. But what is the rule? You target previous high. There's your previous high. Boom. It was just hit, and then it sold down. You, you understand what I mean? So even though a lot of you was in this buy trade, the rule is you target previous high. And because gold is that high, it's difficult to say to where it will go. Hence, you are just buying it to the previous high, which is all the data we have is that what you can see there on the screen. So technically it's not a loss, but that's not the move that we would have expected. You would maybe expect to break that resistance level and form a support and just continue higher and higher and higher. forming higher highs. But yeah, this is now what happens. Now we need to wait for the next one to close. So let's go to the MSG4. And MSG4 will still be forming. What's happening here? Here's this MSG4. You can see it showed buy and it went up. This one showed buy and it went up. This one showed sell. It did went down only to where? Previous lows. And it rejected. Here's MSG4. Showed a sell. Where are you targeting? Basically this area here. And missed it. Boom. Hit it. So you need to understand how it works. You need to understand how this MSG works in order to trade it. Plain simple. Any questions? We covered basically everything. How to get it on your trading view, how the MSG and the Lego method works. What does MSG stand for? Major station gap, right? How to get it on your MT5. Where to go and go download the indicator. Everything is there, but obviously this video will be on YouTube as well for you to go and go check it again. Any questions? As I said, the meeting is recorded and it will be on YouTube. YouTube is T1 Tinas. They're in the comments. T1 Tinas is a YouTube channel. Win rate between 80 and 90% accurate. Normally doesn't take losses. That's how accurate this thing is. And guys, tomorrow morning at 3 o'clock, hopefully I'm not sleeping. Hopefully I will be up because listen, I drove all the way from the Eastern Cape today and I'm still here doing this for you all. Even though we are only 30 people, I'm still taking my time to do this. So, um, I don't know if I'm going to be tired or if I'm going to be awake at 3 o'clock, but if I'm awake, the link of my Discord channel will be shared in all the groups for you all to join in and see how we do it live. Otherwise, no, definitely not on Christmas. On Thursday, I won't be available. Friday market is closed. Then on New Year's market is closed again. Oh, we will see. We will must see. Very cool. So you can view MSG in MT5. Yes. Thank you for your time. 100%. Up until when will this MSG be working? Forever. It will literally work forever unless the big heads, like the billion-dollar people, finds out we're doing the MSG thing and they maybe manipulate it. But it will never happen. We are too small for the people that has billions of dollars. They will never know. So this thing will work forever. But if I'm awake, as I stated, tomorrow morning at 3 o'clock, I will share the link and we will be doing it live on Discord. But I'll share the link. Any questions? No more questions? If you have any more questions, we are available on WhatsApp. Um, contact us. If you don't have the number, 079 942 1268 on WhatsApp. +27 South Africa. I'm saying this basically for the people on YouTube. Okay. Awesome. Then we will see each other again. And there are people in the comment section that's actually using it at the moment. How is it for you all? How is it for you all? How's the MSG trading? I know for the whole of last week, there was not one loss in MSG. Not one loss in the morning sessions on MSG. So if you traded at 3 o'clock in the morning, no losses. How do the withdrawal work? When you make money using the MSG, you just log into your account, into your XM account, and you say withdrawal, and you say how much you want to withdraw, and you withdraw your money. And it's like 10 minutes and it's in your account. Very fast. XM is very fast. I made $153 a day and 3,801 at first time seeing MSG method is bananas. Boom. There's one person so far. Maybe listen, because this is a basically beginner one for all the new people. So maybe all people that's everyone that's here that didn't use it, that didn't use it yet. Okay, but then I'll see you all again. Chat on me on WhatsApp. As I stated in New Year's, we will do mentorship and beginner course for free. Okay, have a lekker day. Bye bye.